Hi, Chris from Florida Drones Fly. Today we're going to do a short video on how to properly charge and store your batteries on the Teledyne FLIR SIRAS drone. The SIRAS comes with two batteries, and the drone requires both batteries to be installed to fly and operate. With an operating time of roughly 30 minutes, it may be a good idea to purchase a spare set of batteries to keep you in the air longer for your mission. It is important to not let the batteries get below a 5% remaining charge, as this may permanently damage the battery's ability to recharge. After your flights, remove and charge the batteries. Leaving the batteries in the aircraft will eventually drain them down to 0% and permanently damage the batteries. When the battery is connected to the charger, charging will automatically begin and the power level indicator LEDs will illuminate and flash. When all 5 power level indicator LEDs are illuminated, the charging is complete and the charger will emit a completion sound. To charge your batteries, connect the battery charger to a power source and make sure that the power switch on the back of the charger is in the off position. Inspect the pins on the charger to make sure that they are not bent or damaged, and insert 2 batteries into the charger and make sure that they are oriented correctly. The batteries fit into the charger in one position, so do not force the batteries in there, as this will cause damage to the pins. Once the batteries are inserted, turn the power switch on the back of the charger to the on position, and when all the LEDs are illuminated, your batteries are fully charged and you are good to go for your next flight. It is a good process that after each flight to recharge the batteries to a sufficient level to ensure that they are not getting below that 5% charge level. To charge the remote controller, simply plug a USB-C cable into the power port on the bottom and connect it to a USB-C charger. And you will see the LEDs light up briefly and then go back off. To check the progress of the charging, simply press the power button on the remote and a battery charging graphic will show on the screen showing the current charge level. Once the indicator is at 100%, your remote is completely charged and ready to go. One thing that we've noticed in our operations of this aircraft is to not store the batteries in the aircraft while transporting. The power button is very sensitive and easy to power up, and if you are transporting the aircraft in the case with the batteries installed, you may accidentally power up the aircraft, which can then drain the batteries or cause permanent damage to the aircraft. Thanks for watching this video on how to charge and store the batteries for the Teledyne FLIR SIRAS. If you have any questions, give us a call at 855-8-DRONES or check us out online at floridadronesupply.com. As always, thanks for watching and have a great day.